Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get Canva Premium for free. So I'm currently here on Canva Premium, and usually you get Canva Premium by getting Canva Pro, which is literally what Canva Premium is, and you need to pay for it. But we want to get it for free. Now saying that we'll get it for free is an overstatement, because you wouldn't get Canva Premium for free without going the legal way. But we're not going illegal. We're not going with illegal ways in this video. If you want to get premium, you can get it by being a student. You can get Canva Premium by being a student. Why is that? Well, there's something we call a Canva Education, which basically gives access to premium resources or assets to non-premium users as long as they're part of a team education. So let me show you how it works. As you can see here, I have switched to my education account or my team because I have been invited to an educational institution, for example. And if I try to edit one of my projects here, for example, this project over here, I want to edit it. And you can see here on the results of the designs, there's the normal ones without any icons in the bottom right, and there's also the ones which has the edu icon. So if you're using Canva free, it will usually just show up as like a premium or like the one with the crown icon. But in this case, since we have the edu education, it's free and it shows which assets are usually premium, but is now accessible for you because you are part of Canva Education. That's how you get premium for free. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.